Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, and also we'll take a look at Rivian, Lucid and Ford. Now, an awesome price action on Tesla that we are seeing today, right? We were already bullish starting yesterday in the structure overall, and today we are just seeing a good continuation to it. Now, I did make some moves on my dividend investing side of the things, the public facing portfolio that I have for you. I did sell some Tesla and I did buy some other things as well, but more on that I'll talk about later today. A video will be coming out on Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. Link to this channel is in the description below. Subscribe here as well if you want to be notified when that video comes out. All right. Now, so coming back here on Tesla, we are above really great 50 days moving average. We are also above 20 days moving average. Awesome. And also above 200 days moving average. We also closed, if you have seen my morning video, I talked about if we can close above 226 today, like this is all great. We have taken out previous resistance. Now today some sell-off that came at 235 is not a surprise to me, and it shouldn't be a surprise to you as well if you have been seeing my videos, right? Because if I turn on the short volume person on my tool, you can see that this is where we had huge short sellers piled up 47, 41%, at least that's when they pulled the price back down. And also it's an overhanging pivot and resistance here. So two things compounding really strong. We did see quite a good sell-off for some time actually. So things got bought back up again. But let's take a look at what really happened, right? So let's go to the 5 minutes interval and I'll turn on my structural indicator as well. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And yeah, steps are listed down here in the description, and if it takes me a couple of hours to get back to you once you follow the steps, please don't mind. I just receive so many requests all the time, so yeah, sometimes it may take me a while before I get to your email in the queue after you join the membership. All right, but anyway, so we are here. We went up. You can see the cloud kept holding, opened strong today, and any pullback into that cloud just kept getting bought back up. And then once we fully turned green as well above the cloud already, things shot up. And you can see when the structure changed back to red over here. And the same area where the huge short volume percent in the past was, and the lower hanging pivot as well that we have from the earnings breakdown. We saw a continuous sell-off, came back into the cloud again, rebounded, again in the cloud, rebounded, and so forth, right? So overall, we stayed bullish. But all these things helps you to make decision where to buy, where to sell, where to take profits, where to have stop loss, and all of that. Like my tools, take care of that already. And if you join to have access to my tools, you will also receive training videos to understand how to use these tools, all right? Now, what we have now on Tesla going in tomorrow? Well, so Tesla overall, guys, is just in a bullish structure. So if we go to the hourly interval, now tomorrow the levels to watch are definitely 226. If we stay above this tomorrow, 226, and we stay above 20 hours moving average, we are just bullish. Now, what I mean by that, like what to look for at these levels, right? You'll have to see the price action on the lower time frame, like double bottoms forming, pivots forming, wicks forming, and things like that if pullback happens. Otherwise, as if we just continue up from wherever, don't even get to 226 for some reason, right? This thing is just bullish. What I'm trying to say is that structure on this intraday is just a bullish play as long as we're above 226. Pullbacks until then are just a buy. If we lose 226 with the lower time frame price action showing a sell-off, wicks forming, on the lower time frame, double tops forming, things like that, that's where we have a problem, and we might not then be able to go above 200. Well, then it might become a weaker play, but again, it all comes down to as long as we are above 226, things are all happy. So that's pretty much the level. Overall structure on Tesla is still bullish right now, and yeah, no, things are looking great to me, guys. Let's see tomorrow if we can continue much higher. But yeah, $235 or $236 area above, this zone is where, this is where we have to get out though. But we have taken out the previous pivot as well. Now it's about, we have tested the next pivot as well. Let's see what happens if it does a pullbacks, holds, and then breakout. But yeah, if we get above 236 and 85 cents, then again, levels are already marked up there for you, but things are looking good to the next levels then. So Tesla is all in all looking great. And if you take a look at the weekly interval as well, and weekly interval also, we are on the week looking really great. Our inverted head and shoulder pattern is still holding really great, right? And we are, yeah, let's see, tomorrow is the last day of the week. Let's see how strong we close. If you can also see that confluence with the 200 weeks moving average, right? At that very level, a little bit of that sell-off that came in the day, right? So there were a lot of confluences over there at that little bit of a sell-off zone. But hey, things are looking good. Let's see if we can continue higher. If we close above 200 weeks moving average, that's also a good sign. But tomorrow will define, pretty much everything on Tesla for that. All right. So that's Tesla, guys. Let's take a look at Rivian. So Rivian, guys, is going. Look, here's the thing that yes, it's trying. It has regained above $13.65, but it is going sideways right now. It's above 20 days moving average, sure, but at this point, it's not a swing play. Looks like, at least though, you can try intraday. And tomorrow the level to watch is if it stays above $13.65, since it can continue higher. If you are looking for the weakness though, I would want to see it lose this trend line as well though first, then only. All right, because there's a chance this pivot may form, but just trade with those things, okay? That's something you are watching. And let me actually go back to the hourly interval. And I'm just going to change the visibility of this. I'll hide it from the weeks and the days for this trend line. Yeah. All right, so let's take a look at Lucid now. And don't forget that on Rivian, sorry, I'm going back there. We are below 200 days moving average still. So, but trade intraday only this thing right now. It's this thing, it tried to form a swing play here, but then eventually you can see a lot of, consolidation happen, and then we finally just broke the structure, right? So Lucid, okay, so Lucid, as I talked about, that big move will only be about $4.10. It sold off today, again losing $3.82, significant level, lost it, got to the next level. 20 days moving average, trying to find some support. Look, here's the thing, it's an important level. $3.60 with 20 days moving average and a significant level. Why so? Because I'm seeing this pivot over here as well of a resistance, which can be a support right now. If Lucid can hold it, that's good. But now the area of structure change to the upside continuation would be above $3.82. If here it can hold this, that's great. But let's take a look at hourly interval for that. So if right now, I'm not seeing much signs of it. What I would like to see it first also get above 20 hours moving average as well. Then only I would like to play the upside on this. Otherwise, let it do its thing here. It might do a little bit of rebound to catch up to 20 hours moving average, but structure is not bullish. Structure is negative on intraday as well. All right, so it all comes down to if it holds this level, can form some upside, and then we'll see if we start to see signs of upside. Right now, I'm not seeing that. Ford, it finally, unfortunately, while testing 20 days moving average, it finally broke some structures yesterday and today, right? So yesterday, yeah, we had a red close, and then today also we are just seeing a structure. Because structure broke yesterday, today, no surprise that we are heading lower. What from here? Can it find a support at 20 hours moving average? That was one of the possibilities we talked about, right? Like for this structure to confirm a support here, we'll have to go to the hourly interval. The thing that I'm not liking right now is that we are below 200 hours moving average. So no. What you can do is, well, we still have, you guys, lower highs. So unfortunately, no. If we even rebound also, it's not a rebound. If we stay below $10.82, we're just bearish. Below this is just a downside play. Technically, structure is also in the downtrend right now. For this, I'm not seeing any upside, but if any upside has to form, it might take a day or two at least. $10.82 above first without falling much lower, and then also 20 hours moving average. Then a little bit of a rebound is possible, but structure is, as you can see, it's already broken, right? So, all right. So, and if you lose 20 days moving average, yeah, expect downside. Accordingly, you will have a stop loss on the other side of the levels of these structures, right? Okay, that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools that you see in my videos, links to my tools are in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.